Ever wondered how to capture those stunning, super detailed close-up shots you see online? What if I told you that you could do it with the phone in your pocket today? We're unlocking the secrets of macro photography using the Nothing Phone 3. Get ready to transform tiny details into epic masterpieces. First things first, let's dive into the settings. To get started, you'll need to activate the macro mode. This is your key to unlocking the world of ultra close-up photography. When you're in macro mode, it's crucial to keep your hands as steady as possible to avoid any blur. A firm grip is your best friend here. Next, play around with the exposure. Slide it up or down until the lighting looks just right. For pinpoint accuracy, switch to manual focus. This lets you decide exactly what part of your subject is razor sharp. Don't forget to experiment with different angles. A slight tilt can completely change the way your subject's features pop. Welcome to Mobi Capture. We're thrilled to have you here. If you're passionate about mobile photography, you're in the right place. Let's get back to making those images shine. Now, for those of you who want to take it to the next level, let's talk about expert mode. This is where the real magic happens. In expert mode, you can manually set your ISO. For the cleanest, most noise-free images, try to keep it as low as possible, ideally around 50 or 100. This is a game changer for clarity. Your shutter speed is next. You need to match it to how steady your hands are. If you're shooting handheld, a faster shutter speed will help freeze the moment and prevent blur. Combine this with manual focus to really nail those intricate details. And remember, light is everything. Whenever you can, use natural light. It brings out the best in your subjects. Also, try toggling the HDR setting. It can work wonders for boosting detail and contrast, especially in tricky lighting. Want to add some drama to your photos? Let's create some moody, low-key shots. The secret is to underexpose your image. In your settings, pull the exposure value down, maybe to -2. This will darken the scene and make your subject stand out with a dramatic flair. Again, manual focus is essential here to ensure the most important part of your subject is perfectly sharp. Then, play with your light source. Changing the angle of the light can sculpt your subject, creating beautiful highlights and shadows that add depth and emotion to the shot. It's a simple trick with a massive impact. As you zoom in closer and closer, even the tiniest shake can ruin a photo. That's where a tripod becomes your best friend. Using a tripod completely eliminates camera shake, giving you incredibly clear and crisp macro images. For an extra layer of stability, use a remote shutter or the phone's timer. This way, you don't even have to touch the phone when the picture is taken, avoiding any last-second movement. When you combine a tripod with good lighting, you're setting yourself up for professional quality results every single time. It's a small step that makes a huge difference. Finally, let's talk about your background. A busy background can distract from your amazing subject. The goal is simplicity. Look for solid colored surfaces or neutral backgrounds that help your subject pop. Before you take the shot, take a second to remove any clutter from the frame. Move that stray leaf or that random object out of the way. A clean background forces the viewer's eye right to the intricate details of your subject. Sometimes, just changing your angle slightly can completely simplify the background and improve your composition. And there you have it. With these tips and your Nothing Phone 3, you're well on your way to mastering macro photography. Go out there, get creative, and start capturing the small wonders around you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile photography tutorials. See you in the next one.